while my soup is boiling in the back with the chicken, and the chicken is cooking and softening in the soup, I'm now going to take time to cut up my vegetables. And what I'm doing is I'm using a vegetable peeler because it's hard to cut these vegetables. These vegetables are very tough to cut because of the skin. And you want to really go ahead and cut them as close as you can to the white, making it like that. Some people go like that. Island people don't use that. And my mother actually uses her hands like this, and it's amazing how she does that. But she actually does this, and she's 84 years old. She doesn't cut herself. I don't know how she does it. But you notice how, like, with the knife too, you can get a cleaner cut. Except the only problem is you're gonna take off a lot of the meat off the actual vegetable off this skin part here. So that's why you might want to use a vegetable cutter. But I'm showing you there are ways to cut this like this. See, and like I said, this is la malanga.